Kia ora tātou, Christopher Huriwai here, and it's a beautiful day here in the Waipu Valley. Coming up here for some church mahi with the young people in Rangitukia, and also to bring my sister Nadia and the young fella Hekera, my nephew, up to see this part of where he's from. I thought I'd take this opportunity for those of you who haven't been here or didn't know whereabouts this piece of land was to make a video. So I'm just sitting outside the gateway to Tikitiki B7, one of the two land blocks that we're hoping to bring under the Katene Huriwai in Hariata Patuwai Whanau Trust. So this is Tikitiki B7 here behind me. We have the stream running down there, Rangitukia's that way, Tikitiki down there, and it's right on the main road here. So this is the land block that we're hoping to unlock some more potential in. We'll have to have a corridor with Katene's brothers of Whanau, Rapata's Whanau, and we can sort of come to an agreement so that we can both make the most out of this beautiful piece of land here. So kia ora tātou from Tikitiki B7.